In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Inkscape error 2502 on Windows quickly and safely. This error usually happens when Windows doesn't have enough permission to access the temporary folder during an installation or update. So if your Inkscape installer keeps failing, this guide should help. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is restart Windows Explorer with administrator privileges. To do that, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the Simple view, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. Then go to the Details tab and look for explorer.exe. Once you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. Your desktop and taskbar may disappear for a moment, and that is completely normal. Next, stay in Task Manager and go up to File, then click Run New Task. In the box that appears, type explorer.exe. Now this part is important. Check the box that says create this task with administrative privileges. After that, click OK. This restarts Windows Explorer with elevated permissions, which can help clear the installer problem that triggers error 2502. Now go to the location where your Inkscape installer file is saved. Find the .msi file, right-click it, and choose Install. If Windows was just missing the right permissions, the installer should now continue normally. In many cases, this step alone is enough to fix the issue and let Inkscape install without any further problems. If you still see error 2502, the next step is to check the permissions on the Windows Temp folder. Open File Explorer and go to C:\Windows\temp. Once you're there, right-click the Temp folder and choose Properties. Then open the Security tab and click Edit. In the list of groups and users, look for Users. Select it and make sure full control is allowed. If it isn't checked, enable full control and apply the changes. This matters because Windows installers often write temporary files into that folder, and if the permissions are too restricted, the installer can fail before it even finishes setting up the program. After updating the permissions, try running the Inkscape installer again. If you're still having trouble, it can also help to make sure you are logged in with an administrator account and that any antivirus or system protection tool is not blocking the installer. You can also try downloading a fresh copy of the Inkscape installer in case the file itself is corrupted. So, to recap, first end explorer.exe in Task Manager, then restart it using Run New Task with administrative privileges, then reinstall the Inkscape MSI file, and if needed, fix the permissions on C:\Windows\temp. Those steps solve most cases of Inkscape error 2502 on Windows. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.